Showed you my shop, but products are in my shop. This is my shop. Looks pretty cool, looks pretty artsy. This is my like best-selling best-selling design, so I just have it here. And you go down, my name is Mariah M Design, and I have a little icon here with my logo. I use this on all of my social medias. I joined January 2020 and I have uploaded 214 designs, which is pretty good. Some people have a lot more, so that's something that I want to work on for the future. And let's quickly view my artist profile. I could put more in here maybe, but I do have a call to action where people can send me pics of their purchases. No one has done that yet. I just don't think people are looking. I mean, I wish they would. And I also have a shout out to my Instagram. I have received over 1,000 favorites. I'm following 26 people, and I have 42 followers. And here I have a link to my Instagram and my TikTok. Let's go back up to my shop. I have a featured collection stickers. This probably shouldn't be here. I don't know how this gets organized exactly. I just put some of my like best-selling stickers here. People can scroll through them. And I'll just give you a brief tour of the stickers I have in my shop. These are new. I uploaded them within the month. Same with these. Cool. And now you go down here, we have the filters. You can filter for whatever you want to look at. Right now I want to focus on the collections. I have a total of 9 collections. Photography, typography. These are like my abstract designs. Dreamy skies, I'm assuming that's another photography thing. Faces, patterns, florals, stickers, and masks. And we've already seen stickers, so I will go through photography. I haven't uploaded anything to this one in a while. That's weird. I should probably get rid of this tag then if there's nothing in here. So I don't know what's happening because I do have products in that collection. Oh well. Well, this is my type design or like quotes. Just give you a brief overview. Some of these are based off of TikToks or just trending pop culture references, but I try to make sure that I have my own spin on them and that I'm not like directly using other intellectual property. So cool. We've looked at my shop. Maybe I'll just go through, just show you all of my products, just all 200 of them. So briefly, we'll just do that. Okay, you'll see at least see that. And now I'm going to go into my manage portfolio, and I'll show you the behind the scenes of it all. So for here, this is where you can edit your products. You can upload products from here. You can edit your collections. You can write journals, which are blog posts, and then you can quickly add or edit new products from here. Like say you want to add these, make sure they're in a collection, so I'll add them to type design. Oh, they're already added. And you can also see like who's liking your products. Most of my new stuff hasn't been getting that many likes, to be honest. So maybe I should just go back to what I was doing previously. And you can also see what products have sold from here. And then there's this feature called Quick Edits where you can go through and quickly edit your tags. This is very useful. Okay, I don't know why this happened. So I'm just gonna go through and check my titles, make sure nothing weird happened like with these. That's kind of strange. And then I realized there's some where I didn't put any tags, so I'm just gonna copy these. It's the same products. And it's really good to just go through your products every now and then and make sure that the tags are up to date. Make sure your titles are the correct. Make sure your titles are correct. Make sure you have enough. These are definitely not enough tags. I'll fix that later. Yeah, just make sure you have enough tags. Same thing here. Come on. And don't be lazy with your tags or your titles. Just make sure you do it. Oh wow, I can see what products people have liked and when. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna go back to my shop and then quickly see like what products have been my best selling products. These are the most relevant, so I don't know what that means. You can go trending products. I just want to see like which ones are up there the most. So you go to best selling, and this face design is definitely up here a lot, as well as this as you should, because as it should. Like, yes, I'm glad this is one of the ones that's up here. And then this lightning bolt sticker, that's pretty cool. And these butterfly stickers. It's really cool to see like what is doing well, what's not. Like whatever's lowest is what hasn't sold at all. Pretty sure, yeah, I went through everything, showed you my shop, what products are in my shop. If you want to know like about my earnings or analytics, I do have videos on that. I make them pretty frequently, so I will link the playlist for all my Redbubble videos in the cards and in the description. You can watch all of my Redbubble content if you want to learn more about how I make sales and how I make profits on Redbubble. Comment your shop name down below and maybe I'll check it out in a future video. I could do a Redbubble review video at some point. That could be an interesting concept. I know others have done it before. But yeah, I'm always looking for new videos to make, ways to spice up my channel. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe if you want more videos from me. If you want to see them in your feed, please press the bell next to the subscription button. Thank you for watching this, and I'll see you soon.